Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to GM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, English of Prep Class. Children's, page number 4 पर देखिए. Today we are doing capital letters. Now it's time to write and trace. पेज नंबर 4 पर दी गई कैपिटल लेटर्स को ट्रेस कीजिए. All capital letters are written in upper 3 lines और all letters को upper 3 lines में ही ट्रेस करेंगे और लिखेंगे. So let's start with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So students, trace it very neatly. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So students, you are doing very well. Trace and write capital letters.